Kinda, one last problem here, and this one's much easier. All right, so pause this one. They end with an easier one. You can tell because your problem said the last two took 7.5 minutes, and of course it took me 3 times as long on the little video there. But okay, let's make this one much quicker. You go ahead and do it, and then I'll do it. Ready? Pause. Okay, go. Okay, the length of dB. We can do that, no problem. 2 squared plus 3 squared equals, right? This is a rectangle, so it's a right angle there. 2 squared plus 3 squared equals dB squared. dB equals the square root of 4 plus 9 equals the square root of 13 equals whatever that is. Clear my error from last time. Square root 13 equals 3.6. I don't know how many. 3 significant figures. 3.606 centimeters. Okay, angle DBA. So this is just lining it up and doing this here. So, boy, being able to read through that test and figure out which ones will take you too long, you know, and then also on a test knowing how much they take off. Like if you just get down to that cosine inverse stuff and you put that there and you don't calculate the answer, you know, and because sticking that answer in will take you time. If they're only going to take off one point and you want to move on. Okay, so, you know, test taking skills. So we want to do angle DBA right here. So let's just do the tangent, right? Opposite over adjacent. So that's all I'll do is the tangent of angle DBA. So probably you and I did this differently. I don't know how you figured it out. You might have done, if you favor this, because you got this answer over here. You could do sine or you could do cosine. I'm gonna do tangent because they gave me those two and they're simple. I don't have to put anything else in my calculator. So the tangent of DBA equals 2 over 3. So the angle DBA equals tangent inverse of 2/3 equals, what does that give me? Clear. Tangent inverse of 2 divided by 3 equals 33 point, what did it say? 3 significant figures. 33.700. 33.700 degrees. Okay, an angle. This one takes a little more work, maybe. Angle BHE. B, so we're going across the bottom of the box there, right? So there's our triangle that we'll be using. And you got to know that this angle back here is a right angle. Okay, so let's redraw that. Oops, sorry, I was off your page there. So, and we want to find out angle BHE, this angle up here. So let's draw that triangle flat, just for practice. I'm going to draw it like this. And I know this is a right angle because at the edge of that box, that I'm in that cuboid, a box. HEB. HEB. And I want to know this angle up here. Well, I don't know this length here. I do know this length. This is the height of the box, right? This is 2 centimeters. Well, this is 2 centimeters. So I know this one already. I don't know any angles except for that right angle there. So if I get this, then I could take tangent, or I could take, I could take tangent of BE over HE. So I want to find this length. I want to find BE. Once again, I got a 3 back here. So if I wanted to draw another triangle, there's my other triangle. I know that's a right angle, even though it doesn't look like it because I'm trying to draw a 3D. So if we wanted to flip that one up real quick for the last one, let's see. Boop, 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 boop. I know that F right here, let's see, F, and I flip this up. This is E, right? I'm redrawing this guy, and here's B. So I don't know how much this redrawing and drawing and how much you like straight lines and triangles and all that, but probably hating it about now, but I wouldn't blame you one bit. So I got 3 and 4, and I need to find out that hypotenuse because this is a right angle. So it's just 3 squared plus 4 squared equals EB squared. And then once we find EB, then we can do it again. Or we don't need to do it again. Once we find EB, then we can take tangent and find our angle. So EB equals the square root of 9 plus 16. Oh, well, isn't that nice? A 5. Oh, yeah, 3, 4, 5 triangle. Duh. 3, 4. There's our famous old 3, 4, 5 triangle. So the BE is 5. So, boy, if you're quicker than me and you realize, then that would save you time. You don't have to do any calculations. Now I know that the tangent of angle BHE is 5 over 2. So tangent of B angle BHE equals 5 over 2. So angle BHE equals tan inverse of 5 over 2. Oops, I was off the page. So yeah, let's stick that in there, and we are done with this stuff. And except for whatever questions you may have of me, I know I messed up on the calculations of that last one, but that just shows you that this stuff is pretty complicated. And 5 divided by 2. Tangent inverse 68.1 degrees. Okay. Oh, 68.199 degrees. Make sure you're doing your significant figures. I guess they're wanting to check you're combining all that knowledge you've got about significant figures. Wait, oh, 3 significant figures. Well, I messed that up. Gosh, I'm sorry. I was thinking 3 decimal places. My bad. 3.61 here. I messed up there. 33.7 degrees. Okay. So that was, these two are wrong. And then 68.2. 68.2 degrees. Okay. All right. So double check. Good luck, Kinda. And if you have any more questions on these, let me know. I'm happy to show you whatever you need to on these problems. All right. Take care, and let me know any problems you have. Good luck.